All right, y'all, let's roll those sleeves up. Let's get ready to do something in Claude Code that actually helps me on my day-to-day as a speaker and a presenter. I present a lot, and I can't keep track of what I said in a podcast, what I wrote in a blog post, what I wrote on LinkedIn, and what I've presented. I built a little prototype that basically takes my slide, runs it through a vision AI. It then can see the words and it can get a feel for what is happening in the slide. So you can say this image shows a presentation of MozCon 2011 at an industry event, blah, blah, perfect. So now I have a vision AI running against all of my slides. So now I get more descriptive slides. So when I'm trying to figure out when and where did I present this thing, I now can use my natural language to find those slides because before, the old way used to stink. I would open up like 20 old slide decks and I'm scrolling through and I'm trying to figure out, is that the slide? And what did I say at what part of the slide? Now what it's doing is it's looking at the slide using its vision AI, and then it's going through my entire transcript and giving the quote that I gave at the time. So now I can start to understand, what did I say when I showed that slide? So then I can see how I've gotten better, hopefully not worse. And it's giving me the image, what I said, and the exact quote. There's a huge thing missing. I've read a lot of stuff that I've probably forgotten more than I remember. So how do you tackle that? So Claude Code is now allowing me to bring in all of my highlights from all of my Kindle reads over the last 10 years, plus anything that I've highlighted in an article, plus all my LinkedIn posts, and I'm starting to also include podcasts that I've been on. Why would I want to bring these things in? Because they will give me new frames and new lenses based on things that I've read that can challenge things that I've said in the past in my presentations so I can update those, or to give me a new way to describe them. So what it did is it created a button for me to just sync my Readwise. I can import my LinkedIn posts, or I can import podcasts. So it looks like on slide 45 of this presentation at Friends of Search, I said there's nothing bold, authentic, or original about any of the people that are currently ranking. And then what it does is it goes through my Readwise and says, what can reinforce this point that you've read? It goes through Readwise highlights and the book that I read. It also will go through LinkedIn and say, hey, you posted this thing. Oh man, like here it is. Look, that's actually really good. It's the first time I'm reading it. Too often in building our websites and pages, we get away from authentic moments. I can now use all of that to redo my slides to make them better next time I'm presenting. Now, I've also prompted it, challenge my thinking, and it'll give me a quote, and then it'll give me a link out to a post that I've read. Now, I can read this and kind of go, okay, what does this mean? Is it going to really make me think differently? Yes, no. And it's doing it like just in time for me, right? Just in time is what I love about it. It's going through all my slides, telling me what I've read that could double down, what the source is from Readwise, LinkedIn, or any podcasts that I've been on, challenges my thinking, and then teaches me to expand or go deeper. And this is how I'm going to improve my storytelling and make the things that I've done that have done well or performed well or that I read that I loved to make sure they get in my slide deck so I can be even better in 2026.